In my last tips for caregivers, I introduced you to Mrs. White, an 82-year-old woman who's confused in time, place, and person. She lives in a personal reality. She can express herself with words, even though she sometimes makes up her own words when real words get lost. She remembers when she was a little girl. There was war, people dying, very little food. Her parents were always anxious and had no time for her. You have remembered to center yourself and taken the minute to observe Mrs. White at her doorway. You have matched Mrs. White's face, her breathing, hands, and now feel empathy with her. Hi, Mrs. White.
Hello. Good morning.
You look very anxious.
Yes, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening anymore.
You don't know what's going on.
Well, you look very different. I don't even know who you are.
Take a look at my eyes. Can you see them?
Your eyes. I have seen you before.
Yeah. I'm Vicky.
Hello, Vicky. Glad to see you here. I'm all alone here, and I don't know what's happening here. I need help.
You feel lost or scared?
I'm scared, and I'm very lost and very scared. And I know this feeling. It happens to me very often.
When did it happen?
Well, when I was a long time ago, as a little girl, they took me away from my mommy, and I didn't know where I was, and I was scared and lost, and it was terrible. I think I must have died and come back from heaven, maybe. I think
and this time reminds you of that.
It does. It's the same.
It's so everything's.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Everything's all like this all the time. And I don't know where to go and what to do. And there's nobody to help. Can you help me?
I would love to. Tell me what you would most love right now.
Oh, just want you to be with me and sit with me a little bit. Maybe we could have a little coffee together, you and me. It would be so nice. I would like to talk a little bit about the old days when I was a little girl, and we had a nice life, my mother and my father and me and my sister, and it was nice. We had a nice life before it all happened. And we didn't have a nice life anymore.
I would love to. Let me get some coffee.
Yes.
Do you mind waiting in your room and I'll bring you the coffee?
Okay, I'll wait here. I'll be quiet. Wait, I don't want them to find me here.
I'll be right back. I really want to hear your story.
Thank you. Thank you, nice girl. Thank you. I'm so glad you're here with me today. It's such a nice thing to know I'm not alone and somebody's with me that cares about me. And I don't have that very much in my life. I'm so glad you're caring for me. It makes me so happy. Thank you.
I'm here.
I'm happy with happy tears to cry. Yes, yes. I feel much better.